flats. I was just scared I wasn't gonna make it. Did it on this little tiny bike. Alright, that was super hard and scary. The next trick is gonna be an alley-oop. An alley-oop is where you just go like this. Where you change positions in the air. I can already tell I'm gonna loop out.
Loop out on what?
The mini rock. The back end comes up so easy. I'm gonna do the alley-oop on the bigger one. I think I'm gonna do it on this one. Oh my god. I'm gonna double peg it.
Double peg to disaster.
Oh my god. My legs are so tired. I did a it like comes off so easy. The next trick is a 360. Let's see if I can do it out of the bowl. I did it 2 years ago. This should be really easy, I hope. Okay, let's go. Such a tiny lip, though. I'm gonna do it at a bigger lip. That one. It's easier at a bigger lip. I'm gonna try tail whip. It's caught. I can't. Like.
Oh, the brake cable?
See?
Oh. Can we take it off?
Yeah.
Let's take it off. You would have had that one too. It just.
The brakes literally just broke, so I'm just gonna take them off. Jesus! I just bunny hopped up it and I like looped out. Almost. Time for the tail whip. And like hit right here.
Ooh.
So that was a pretty hard slam. I'm determined to do it. I'm gonna go do it on my resi, cause that concrete sucks. Changes and see if I can land this thing. My bars are right there. Maddie, want a treat? Shake.
Shake.
Oh, that's way easier. I didn't try because my foot like kind of fell off. I just need to commit. Committing. Oh no.
You committed that time. That was a good one.
I'm leaning to the side. No! I'm leaning to the side. I'm gonna try to get around, but lean to this side more.